do oh no.
Shit.
Do you know what happened? I hope you realize. Do you?
Nope.
Oh, alright.
Oh. Alright, let's go. What are you doing?
He ain't gonna do shit.
There he is.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
I wonder how much damage these guys would actually take if we didn't upgrade our weapons.
And we didn't ever work together?
Well, like we all had our weapons level 1 and shit. Probably take longer.
Really? What if it just took the same amount of time just because it, you know...
The game's like that?
Yeah, just... if you level up something, the enemies level up something? Like armor or something?
And equal amount.
Oh, okay. Like the rubber band effect. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Oh, really? Stay away from the dude.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh! I think I need help. Just die. Damn it.
Your reflect is beam. With your shield.
Yeah, I'm just gonna... Fuck! Go with you guys. Aim somewhere else, stupid. There you go.
Zoning blaster. He's slowed.
What's going on?
He's slowed. They're all slowed.
Don't do
Everything's
that.
slow.
Don't do
It's
that.
bullet time.
Don't
These are
do that.
damaging.
Yeah, get someone killed.
Mr. Zerko!
Oh, I got moved.
Oh my. Ah. Really? This is taking... Joe fucking use guns. What are you doing?
Oh.
Now you're dead. I'm dead.
Don't worry, I got this.
We're all dead.
Don't die on me now.
Just aim on one guy.
Mr. Peabody's iron.
Oh, you use thunder.
I already used mine.
I'll use mine.
My thunder's in.
Thunder!
I think that's what we did last time. That's what I so fast.
Yeah, it really helped last time with all the other guys.
I don't think that's what he means, Danny.
You fucking asshole.
See, look how fucking much damage that did.
Yeah. Yeah, but now where I am.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Jump!
I'm good. That's it for him.
I like how you do a little dance before he died.
A little dance for me.
I'm standing in the middle, remember that.
Just to show my...
I was standing in the middle.
I was standing. Oh, now he's in the middle. You think he just pushed me on my spot? I'm gonna kill that motherfucker. I'm gonna snap his little neck.
Monsters just spread across this galaxy, and now
Damn right.
I don't think I need you anymore, little spawn. Get away from me!
Wow.
Don't let him turn it on!
Oh no! Damn it, Ratchet!
What the fuck, Ratchet? God damn it! You had one job.
No, fuck.
God damn it, Ratchet. I swear. I fucking swear. You had to do one thing. Grab him.
Back, Mr. Dingle! Back!
Okay. First funniest thing he's done.
Thunder smack. Rival Knox.
Rival Knox. He has no throat.
That's too bad. I could really use it.
Thunder! Do I have some? Oh,
Get to cover!
yeah, I do. Thunder!
Oh. I'm gonna pick up Josh.
It's fucking. Okay. Oh, jeez. I don't think it works.
We all have fucking different fucking thunders there. We aren't focusing it, damn it!
I think it all just does the same thing.
No, we're all in different corners of the map. That's
Hold on.
why.
Hold on. I'm just gonna shoot at him.
See my green one?
Yeah?
Oh, no, fuck it. I'm not thundering, I guess.
No.
You guys don't want to be a part of this team.
Very disappointed.
I'm just gonna use my smoke machine.
Yeah, there's a party going on. Alright.
Wait, will the reflector work?
With his fucking giant
Technicals.
damn it! Tentacle! I don't think so, right?
Tentacles.
Tentacles.
That's a lot of firepower.
He's like just eating it up.
Choke on it.
What the fuck? And we're gonna.
We both got down.
Why? Oh jeez. I
all
don't like the
cameras,
pressure. Oh. Okay.
I got the little guy.
You're a little guy.
I'm a little bit.
Don't agree with me.
I hardly see the point of not agreeing with you.
Yeah, you're hardly in right away.
According to the Polaris database of needlessly violent predators, the Reichenbach Rebel
No, I need that.
natural ability to augment its body to
Oh my god.
That's cannibalism.
wonder if that extends to
Really
digesting
is.
fire. Well, that solves that mystery.
Well, that solved that mystery. Alright, we should probably use thunder.
Well, you see, what we have to do now is dodge a different
Watch
attack
how you stun the smack again.
and
That's
keep
right there in the
shooting.
middle. Just
Keep
nail the
shooting.
Now use the thunder smack
Now
with Josh.
Are you guys using it?
Yeah.
Thunder!
It's getting big.
There you go.
I'm not out anymore.
Alright, switch guns while the thunder doesn't work.
No, it's almost like critical.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm done with thunder. It's all out.
Oh shit. What is this? Oh, now it's red. Whoa.
Mr. Zurkov has returned with a vengeance. Remember that?
Man,
Is that what he said?
This
Yeah.
time.
Oh, what an asshole.
Dark Souls can't handle this.
Don't.
Yeah, this is no. Oh. No? Don't.
No.
I'm not done.
Get to cover!
Oh!
Ah.
It keeps going!
So good.
Might as
This
well just-
fucking tentacle is pulsing.
Ugh.
It's throbbing. Look at when it throbs.
I don't think that would be good for us.
No, it will not. Alright, let's continue shooting. You know, this is pretty easy.
It should get more difficult.
Nah,
Oh no.
I think the tentacle changing colors is it.
Oh no, get away! I'm down! I'm down!
Oh no, he's hurting.
Bob down! Black Hog Bob!
You know, this guy's been taking like more than 100 shots to the face. Well, at least he died with style.
I
Right?
can't use my fisticuffs on him. It's not fair.
Oh, here we go. Alright, different attacks. Here we go. Where are they? Oh, that's new. Okay, cool, cool.
I'm down.
It's like playing reverse limbo. Instead of going down, you just jump.
I'm down!
Man, you need to fucking stop dying. I'm down!
I'm out of ammo.
There's a infinite pile right there.
This will come in handy.
Oh, fuck.
I'm aiming to repair.
He's gonna breathe fire. Oh.
You're doing it, August! Keep going!
What is he doing at home? He's just cheering us on and shit.
Fucking nothing.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going.
He ain't doing nothing because he is nothing.
Yeah.
That's very insulting.
Alright, what the fuck is this? Oh shit!
Death is not enough to stop Mr. Zurkov.
Alright, this guy looks more of a threat than a bigger guy.
Hey, wait, I remember him. We fought him in the jungle with all those fun and games.
Man, I don't remember shit.
He said welcome.
No, stop.
Oh.
That was it?
Yeah, pick us up.
Hurry.
Oh shit! I don't like being fucking the one fucking save everybody. Ah!
He welcomed us to the jungle. He said he had fun and games. Games.
Oh shit. Chop his tail off. Maybe we get a weapon.
You
I
was so
want that
tough.
great sword.
I bet he's gonna heal right now. Watch.
No. I think he's gonna breathe ice.
No!
Ice. Oh.
That's
Electricity? Yeah.
Oh, no healing? That's weird. I thought this game would take the easy way.
Oh, no!
Oh shit.
There we go.
He's summoning a spirit bomb.
All the way back to full health.
Electrical and regenerative power. Sweet criminy. That means he's invulnerable.
You know that
Not to
means-
Mr. Zurkov.
Oh no.
Mr. Zurkov is tired of your shit.
I found ammo.
No, Mr. Zurkov, don't take hits like that.
Alright. So.
I'm down.
Alright.
Watch out for the blue things that swirl on the map.
Yeah.
I'm warning you.
Yeah.
See what happened to him? He died.
Well, yeah, I've been dodging them.
I'm walking up or down to avoid them. Oh shit!
A little jump here and there wouldn't hurt. Oh,
I'm down.
I guess it did hurt.
That guy's so annoying. I don't want to talk shit because then he'll kamikaze on us.
Don't kamikaze on you.
He'll kamikaze all over your face.
Bukaki on your face.
No, damn it! Why do you keep it discreet? Just fucking say it.
Remember, kids, look up Shibari. Shibari?
Oh fuck.
Kobara.
Kuwabara. You didn't have school today. Oh.
I really don't like it when you come over to my mom's house, cool bar.
Thunder.
Oh, I'll grab some thunder right now. Got it. Oh, I'm dead. Down. I will complete the circuit of life.
Oh, he's invulnerable to electricity.
No, he's not.
Well,
Not in this game.
yeah, we're doing it.
Need to separate the spirit from the Gribblenauts.
Okay.
You've worked with the machine for years. You must know how to use it against it.
Oh jeez, man. Do you know how many drinks I've had today?
How many?
Pin him down using the pencils. I'll activate the machine.
So, thunder smacking.
Well, no.
That's what I heard.
He's made out of thunder.
He is thunder.
He is thunder.
And he'd be sound. But we have a chance if we use
I'm
lightning.
not using it. Alright, you're going.
Fine.
I'm gonna shoot my gun.
The fucking things are locking onto us now.
No,
They've been doing
no.
that. They're not doing it any worse than before.
Man, please.
I believe I require an
Just shoot it!
I should acquire some nano.
Well, how do we separate the shit from the shit?
I'm down.
Joe, we're down! Oh my god!
It all depends on me. That's why I like it.
Over here, Cadet.
When you bring us back, you should use your green thing, just in case.
I can't do that when I'm sucking you guys up.
Oh. 2 more of those and we're good. Oh, fuck. I got decoys. Oh, fire! Oh! Damn it! Yeah! What?
God damn it. Both down.
Josh! Holy shit!
Don't worry, I got this.
I got this.
Are we supposed to do something new or what? Because this is taking forever. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? How do we do this? Oh, we shoot it? Oh, shoot it. No, alien. Don't eat that. Don't tell me I have to kill him, and every time he spits it out, I have to shoot it, and then rinse and repeat.
Yes, full HP now.
It's a good thing we have infinite ammo then.
Because he has infinite HP.
Well, we picked hard mode.
Yes, we did.
It's only fair that he has infinite HP.
You know what would work better? Rocket launchers, but we don't all have them.
We should just use thunder.
Thunder? Yeah, let's use thunder.
You can't use fucking electricity, man.
Oh yeah.
Why not? It
doesn't heal them. Let's all do it. Let's all heal it.
Fine. Let's all heal it.
Heal it. Let's all do it. Is it working? Anybody?
I think so.
Oh, I got them.
I ran out.
Everyone find some nanotech. Find some trouble.
My fucking ice isn't shooting.
I'm down.
No! Joe, bring us back!
Don't worry, it's like bullet time.
Little help here, guys?
Both on my ass, he shocked me.
Well, maybe you shouldn't be running into the electricity.
Fuck.
I had to run toward him to pick him up.
Alright, the game's holding our hand. So we're back at the Thunder place.
Electrical and regenerative powers. Sweet criminy. That means he's invulnerable.
Hear that?
Fuck. I was gonna shoot him. I don't care anymore. Smells like raspberries.
That smells like raspberries.
Probably the pomegranate.
Oh, it's your drink. Oh, shit. I bet I could do all this with one hand.
Watch out, they're coming for you.
I wouldn't be able to jump. Whoa! Come on, Mr. Zurkov, put your back into it.
We have to down his whole health and then he spits it out or what? Oh no, look, halfway. Okay, well, it's more than halfway. Shut the fuck up.
Cannot skip.
Shoot it. Shoot the shit out of it.
Where's the pincers?
Oh! You hear that?
Those things off to his left and right.
What?
Those things. They look like background almost, but they popped up when they said ready.
But we can't shoot it though.
I noticed that. I'm just saying.
Okay. I think we have to weaken it, and then the people will grab it. I don't know. Way. Okay, now. Shoot it! Shoot it! Yeah!
I'll suck you up.
Dude, someone's dead.
Don't thank me. I'm just a hero.
Okay, go.
Boy,
It has to be completely secure.
The other one, jump.
With the other pincers.
No! Fuck!
I will help you, Ratchet.
Damn it.
Don't fucking die!
On back.
there go. No, fuck.
I'm jumping! Throw me! What the fuck? What? Why would you do
What are you
that?
doing?
You fuck!
Damn it, Danny.
You fucking asshole!
You fucked that up so hard, Josh.
I think because you were under pressure, like, and you fucking just threw me.
I'm not under pressure.
You fucking threw me to the fucking abyss.
I found ammo.
You're the one who couldn't handle the pressure.
Oh my god. Oh, shoot the shit out of this. Okay, it's gonna open up again. I'm sucking.
The trap is active.
Go.
Hit it down.
And watch out for the fucking laser beam.
Secure. Grab it with the other pincers.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck.
go through me.
Jump, jump. I can't. Why would you fucking do that? I
already
sucked in.
died.
Jump.
He's already in.
Okay, fuck.
Secure its head while I prime up the
One more.
extractor. We'll rip the spirit from its body.
Good job.
Throw him.
That's it. You've got him.
Now shoot him? Or what?
Here goes nothing.
Oh, the guys are actually doing something. Shoot it! Oh!
I'm still gonna shoot him.
I think they're sucking in the shit out of him.
Give me a hand pulling him out.
Sucker space.
Damn it, Mr. Zircon.
Don't have much time.
Ah, great.
Did we just make this boss fight harder?
No, I think we created another one.
Finish him.
Oh.
Finish him.
Foul creature. Everyone, fire.
Full time.
I was just stay in one spot. Casually just shooting at him. I'll just move to the side, make it more thematical. Oh shit.
The electricity stuff is getting closer.
Got 5 points.
Look at all that green.
Oh, okay, good, we did it.
Not even close.
Fuck.
Not even close to me.
Dead? Alright, cool. Go after the fat one. Damn. Can you imagine we had a 4th player? He would be like, "You're a bitch. You're welcome."
Nefarious old friend, you gotta admit, the sight of 2 dudes just hugging it out warms the cockles of your mechanical heart, huh?
Gross.
Okay. What?
Well, Dr. Croyd seems to be doing better. Still keeps feeding him those treats, but otherwise he's surprisingly sane. So, another world saved?
Okay, now his eyes are yellow, now he's high.
He's getting high though. Look at that.
He's looking high as shit now.
But I think I prefer hero work.
Maybe he's on some different fucking shit, you know?
Something, pal.
Different high. I mean, he just saved the world or whatever.
He's looking out.
He got
Yeah,
that money.
those dragons are nice, right? Those dragons, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
He only goes on adventures when he's high.
Oh, yeah?
Hands where I can see you. Wait, how did you guys get down? About that.
Cowards.
Help finally arrived. Good evening, sir. I hope you don't mind, but, well, it turns out the evil sidekick market is a bit thin these days. I don't suppose there's room in your employ for one more.
Nice try, Lawrence. But today's been a day of revelations for all of us. Together we faced a villain that was neither robot nor squishy, and we learned a little something about life, friendship, and the sticky connective tissue between right and wrong. So I'm afraid Dr. Nefarious isn't going to do anything but steal our show.
What do you expect? I'm a supervillain! Oh boy! Losers!
Sometimes it feels like the universe just writes itself.
Yeah? But how do we get off this rock now?
I'll fly.
Damn.
He wanted those chips.
Sound like I would do, yeah.
Look, you see he's not eating them yet? You know what he's waiting for? Dip, because Ratchet knows, alright?
Oh,
Because
jeez.
Ratchet knows.
I think Clank's just gonna eat them all after he lights one.
He's all like,
Guys, we need to go on another adventure, man.
we need some dip. We must make an adventure to the store.
I pilot weaponized drones in Illuminopolis twice a week. It's like a 4 out of 10 bolts in the class you take online. Or can probably pardon us.
Perks of the job.
Oh, why even bother?
Who wins?
I died the
Ow.
most.
Oh!
I lost.
Oh! Who done it? Oh, who took it all?
Oh,
Who
wow.
took it all?
Wow, that's a shocker.
Most enemies killed, Annihilator.
You can't win them all, Danny.
That's a shocker.
And I won the one that mattered.
I guess you can't lose
Look
them
at
all
this.
either. For me.
World Grand Champion Team Leader right here takes another one.
still won the
all
most.
the way to
I still won the
home run.
most. I won the most.
It's a co-op game.
Oh, you won the most? You won the most? What did your final score say? What's your final? Oh, you were way behind.
No, that's not the final score. The final score is at the end of the
Final
credits.
score. Ah, man,
We gotta wait it out.
such an important final score.
You skipped the final. Oh, never mind.
Oh shit! Stay after the credits.
Mars Defense Force has set up a perimeter.
Yeah, I was wondering about that
outside
extra
the
guy.
Martian Nebula. So we'll have to take the Corvus exit until there's a change in patrols. I did manage to restock your dark
Kick him
matter
out.
missile array. So if you'd like, we can make a and retrieve it.
Why am I never in pictures?
You're right there.
Well, I'm in it, but I'm not like in it.
Guys, I'm so high right now.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.